Best deals. 1. Cookware. Stackable, space-saver design, fit into each other, frees up space in modern kitchens. Suitable for use on domestic gas, induction, electric, ceramic and halogen stoves. Detachable grips, stay cool, allow snug fit stacking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Glass cooking pot. Experience superior quality and elegant design with this premium glass cookware set. Crafted from 100% food-grade high borosilicate glass, it is completely lead-free, non-toxic, and a healthier alternative to plastic or stainless steel cookware. A perfect blend of safety, style, and functionality. Add it to your kitchen today and enjoy cooking with confidence. It is safe for use on electric infrared stoves, in ovens, refrigerators, dishwashers, and microwaves. Pot combines elegant design with high heat resistance, making it both functional and stylish. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Brush. 18 inches wide coverage and exceptional durability. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pressure cooker. Suitable for gas, electric, ceramic and halogen cooktops. Stay cool handles. Fixed sturdy pivot does not put pressure on the plastic handles as it is a part of the metal handle itself. Thus handles last longer. Inside fitting safety lid minus will not open until pressure falls. Made from pure virgin aluminum, exterior mirror polished. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Organizer. Designed for easy installation and hassle-free organizing of your clothes. It also has a smart easy-to-slide design and helps to easily reorganize. Made from the most durable materials for long-lasting use. Ideal for organizing shirts, sweaters, and other clothing items in your closet. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tawa. Made from healthy ceramic coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, leads and chemicals. It ensures worry-free cooking and is sizzle-ready for hassle-free use. This cookware has designed and developed in India to cater to Indian cooking needs. Tawa is specially crafted for style, durability, and functionality. It features toxin-free ceramic coating and a toughened glass lid. Ergonomic Bakelite handles provide a soft touch, cool and heat-proof grip. This induction cookware is also designed for effortless cooking gas stoves and heaters. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Canisters. Highly durable and made of fine quality stainless steel. Vertical container has enough deep space for storing edibles, grains, snacks, sugar, flour. Compact size makes it easy to store in kitchen cupboards. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Teapot. Made of the durable metal, it can easily handle daily cups of delicious tea without showing any wear and tear for years. With the handle of hollow stainless steel design. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Lunch box. Crafted from high quality, BPA-free stainless steel, this heart-shaped lunch box ensures safe and hygienic food storage, making it an ideal choice for daily use. Designed for durability, the sturdy stainless steel construction resists rust, corrosion, and wear, ensuring it remains in top condition for years. Featuring a secure locking system. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Pot holder. Can be used to store the lids of pots, pans, and utensils, as well as the plate. Whether it is placed in the kitchen cabinet or on the countertop, it will give you a clean and tidy kitchen environment and is equipped with 9 adjustable stainless steel dividers. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Frying pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Made from high-quality, toxin-free materials. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass Sprout Jar. BPA-free lid has a built-in mesh and handle for smooth rinsing, effortless draining, and clean, mold-free sprouting every time. This sprouts maker jar is made from thick, food-grade glass and resists odors and stains. This multipurpose sprouts maker supports fast, hygienic germination and promotes longer root growth with minimal effort and is a thoughtful choice for wellness-focused homes, kids. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Jar. The small containers are made of high-quality glass which is eco-friendly, reusable, and doesn't contain anything harmful. The lids are made of BPA-free plastic which is strong and long-lasting. The containers are so versatile as they are dishwasher, fridge and freezer safe and microwave oven. The plastic lids are equipped with rubber rings to ensure better air tightness. They can keep the dipping condiment cups sealed and keep the sauce or condiment inside fresh. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Electric Chopper. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Bowls. Made from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel for long-lasting durability. Thick, sturdy design ensures the bowls can handle a variety of foods with ease. Shiny, smooth surface adds a sophisticated touch to your dining table. Modern and stylish combination of square and circle design for a contemporary look. Perfect for soups, curries, snacks, desserts, and more, suitable for both casual and formal dining. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cast Iron Kadai. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with 2 canvas grips for easy handling. Season the kadai before use to give it a non-stick property and prevent the food from sticking in the cast iron kadai. Uni-body one-piece design free of any screws or weld joints. It can be used for deep frying, roasting, baking. Saves cooking gas. High-quality cast material heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Deep fry puris, pakodas, fritters, fries. Prepare your chicken and shahi curries, braise veggies and chicken, and make Indian traditional halwa in this perfect round-shaped kadai that will add extra flavor to your traditional as well as globally loved food preparations. The batter will not accumulate at the center, you can easily spread it and cook evenly, giving you the perfect result every time. The depth in the iron kadai allows easy evaporation of heat, making it perfect for Indian cuisines. The iron kadai comes with a glass lid which allows you to monitor the food while cooking. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Organizer. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, ties, handkerchiefs and other small garments. Keeps your inner wears clean. Space saving. Simply unzip the underside and fold flat to stow. And open the zip when ready for use. Easy to store at home and carry in travel. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Pitcher. Can be used for many types of beverages like iced water, fruit-infused juices. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Casserole. Made from premium quality plastic materials, the break-resistant knob, the transparent unbreakable glass lid and a safety hole in the glass lid not only makes it anti-lock, it also lets out the aroma. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Griller. Made from high-quality, non-stick premium aluminum, this jumbo sandwich maker ensures even heat distribution and low butter absorption, promoting healthy cooking while making cleanup a breeze. This grill toaster is ideal for preparing hearty sandwiches like vegetable, cheese, club, or aloo sandwiches. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Spice jar. Neatly designed jars fit well on countertops, shelves, or racks, helping maintain an organized kitchen setup. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopper. Quickly and safely chops fruits, vegetables and more in one easy motion. Convenient opening for easy pouring without lifting lid or disassembling. Removable grid helps clean between chopper blades and snaps back into place after removal for easy onboard storage. Lathe designed to provide leverage for efficient chopping. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Milk frother. Double-layer stainless steel mesh plunger gives a very thick foam for your milk in less than 30 seconds. Moreover, the plunger mechanism is very smooth and very easy to use. This manual pump coffee frother will easily fit into your kitchen, allows for easy spill-free pouring, comes with glass carafe measurement markings, and is very easy to clean. Milk frother comes with a neoprene sleeve and a cleaning brush. Moreover, the neoprene sleeve protects your milk frother from accidental damages and scratches. Made of premium grade borosilicate glass material, this manual milk frother is rust-free, heat-resistant, not easy to deform, and durable for a long time use. Easily impress your friends and family with your barista skills. This manual coffee frother helps you to make cafe-style cappuccino, lattes, and other specialty coffee from your home. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Pan is engineered for culinary excellence, achieving professional results every time. Featuring a robust tri-ply stainless steel construction, this pan ensures that food cooks evenly without sticking or burning, even with minimal oil, guaranteeing optimal cooking performance. Designed for your comfort and safety, the Stay Cool handles allow for easy and secure handling, even when the pan is hot. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Silicone air fryer. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, designed for easy release, quick cleanup, and high durability. Includes air fryer paper sheets, air fryer accessories items, air fryer silicone baking tray, silicone idli liners, and silicone air fryer tray for all your cooking needs. Enjoy mess-free cooking with non-stick, heat-resistant silicone liners that can handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, perfect for air frying, using your Instant Pot air fryer, silicone accessories, air fryer cover, and kitchen tray for added convenience. All accessories are dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Tawa. Pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. The round iron tawa has thus naturally non-stick. Use your new iron tawa for dosa or chapati comfortably, right away. No food sticking or burning. Make your favorite dishes effortlessly like paper dosa, egg dosa, chapati, uttappam, paratha, omelette and more. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Strainer. Achieve perfect crispy results with our stainless steel deep fry net spoon. Perfect for frying utensil you need for frying up your favorite French fries, pakoda, bhajia, puri, fish, vegetables, meats and more. The deep fry strainer concave mesh is strong and supported with a strong pipe that won't bend or get way. It's made from premium quality food grade stainless steel with a straining spoon. Strainer protect your hands from hot oils while letting you cook your favorite foods. Comfortable grip and safe handling with a sturdy steel handle. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Milk frother. With a generous 400 ml capacity, create frothed milk in seconds with very little effort. The lid features a double froth pump to help create frothalicious coffee. No electricity or batteries required to replace. More economical than battery-powered frothers and expensive espresso machines, the milk frothing pitcher, also called a milk foamer, is so easy to use. Simply measure chilled or warmed milk into the frothing pitcher and place the plunger inside, making sure the lid is on securely. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Jar. Set of 4 jars for multi-purpose use. Ideal for storing all kinds of solid food products like cereals, pulses, dry fruits, made from high-quality food-grade polystyrene plastic. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Grater. Sharp stainless steel teeth finely grate ginger, garlic, turmeric, and more. Durable, rust-resistant construction for long-lasting use. Compact, flat design stores easily in drawers or utensil holders. Non-slip edges help keep the grater steady while in use. Easy to clean, rinse under water or place in the dishwasher. Extracts flavorful paste and juice with minimal waste. Compact, durable, and easy to use stainless steel grater. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Wet grinder. Features a traditional pestle grinding stone revolving method for smooth, authentic grinding of batters and pastes. 3-liter stainless steel drum allows you to grind sufficient quantities for family meals, making it ideal for preparing idli, dosa, and vada batters. Includes top wiper for smooth grinding, spatula, dough hook, and additional attachments for versatile food preparation. World's first batter dispatch tabletop wet grinder with compact, space-saving design and stable base with anti-slip feet for secure operation. Features high-quality stainless steel grinding chamber and robust motor housing in white finish, designed for long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Wet grinder brings the authentic taste of traditional Indian cooking to your modern kitchen. This innovative 3-liter tabletop wet grinder combines time-honored pestle and grinding stone revolving methods with contemporary convenience, making it perfect for preparing idli and dosa batters, chutneys, and masala pastes. The world's first batter dispatch tabletop wet grinder features a unique top wiper design that ensures smooth, consistent grinding whilst minimizing waste. Its stainless steel grinding chamber and durable grinding stones deliver superior results, producing silky smooth batters that rival those made by hand. The compact white design with sturdy base ensures stability during operation, whilst the included accessories, replacement grinding stones, spatula, and various attachments, provide everything you need to get started. The 3-liter capacity is ideal for small to medium-sized families, allowing you to prepare fresh batters in convenient quantities. This wet grinder operates on 230 volts power and comes with multiple components for easy maintenance and long-lasting performance. Whether you are an experienced cook or new to traditional Indian cuisine, this wet grinder simplifies the process whilst preserving authentic flavors and textures that make homemade preparations truly special. Ideal for medium to large families, rust-proof, food-grade stainless steel drum ensures durability and hygiene. Extra wide stone rollers with precision machined base deliver smoother, faster, and more efficient grinding results for traditional Indian recipes. Transparent polycarbonate lid and anti-slip belt easily monitor the grinding process with a clear lid, while the anti-slip belt ensures stable operation. Removable drum for easy cleaning, hassle-free maintenance and cleaning with detachable drum and roller stones. Removable drum for easy cleaning, hassle-free maintenance and cleaning with detachable drum and roller stones. Product link is given in the 31st link.